Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my sew sampler in. Now, usually at the end of the video, I've been showing the patterns I've been making, right? Because I've been staying and doing the quilt along with these guys. I did not get last month's done. It's all cut and ready to go. I just haven't had time to sit down and do it. So I'm kind of bummed about that. But you know, we can only do what we can do, right? So. So 20% off all Charm Pack patterns. That's the coupon this month. So it's pretty good. Oh wow, what did we get? Okay, so let's open the let's open what we get. We got Benertex Charm Packs. Yeah, so we got 3 of those. Oh, there they are. It's pretty. It's almost like Nantucket. So that'll be fun. Who is it? Benertex. I don't think I see a name of who the designer is because I don't have my glasses on for one, and for another I just well, I don't have my glasses on. That is pretty much it. So let's see. Okay, and then we get a, oh, this is worth $37.44 for all 3 of these. So, and then we get a Sewline Air erasable fabric pen. This is valued at $3.98. I should put some glasses in here. And then we get a Hexie Creative Grids 4-in-1 Hexie ruler. And its value is $21.99. So the pattern's going to look like this, Rain Lily. So when you get these kits, you get the stuff to be able to make the pattern. And yeah, I usually don't though. I haven't made a Fat Quarter Shop pattern, not yet. That is valued at $9.98. And then this block 5, so I haven't done block 4. It should be, yeah, $9.98. Now this is block 5, and I haven't done this one yet. Well, I mean, I haven't, well, duh, I haven't done it yet. But I haven't done 4, so I have 4 and 5 to do. There we go. I can get my words. This one looks like fun too. Oh my gosh, Sweet as Honeysuckle block. I love doing these, but I just, yeah, I gotta get to work in here. Oh, pretty. Okay, all right guys, that was it for this month's kit. It was okay. It was okay, an okay one. I don't, yeah, not the best yet, but it's good. I mean, I think it's $45. So yeah, all right guys, what do you think? What was your favorite thing? We'll see y'all later. Bye.